Alright, we're getting ready. Yeah, definitely. Or even, yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Alright, so Ryan and Rachel are going to corner Craig. Craig's opponent, Tony Hong. I'm gonna go.
Let's go, Craig. Let's go, Tony.
No, actually, it's over there. Thank you so much.
Hands up. Give
Got
him
this,
some.
Craig.
Hands up.
You got this, Craig. Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Let's go, Tony. Let's go, Tony.
Got this, Craig.
Let's go, Tony. Hands up. Hands up, Craig. Go to the body. Don't forget about it. Paint the jab sometime.
Get him back. Nice. Good. Nice.
Good.
Good body.
Wait for him. Yeah. Give him something to think about. It's all right. Throw back. There you go. Get off that fence. Let's go, Tony.
Got this, Craig.
You can clinch. Let's go, Tony. It's all right. Hands up. Chin down, bro.
Nice. Push him back. Nice. There you go.
Give him something to think about, Craig. There you go.
Nice.